Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is a quick show, test, review this kit, screwdrivers kit, repair tool kit. I'll put link description down so you can check that one out. There are good things about this kit and bad things, so let's start with good things first. This has a lot of many bit for doing repair, like cell phones and tiny electrical devices. If you like me, repairing small electrical devices, cell phones and so on, this kit could be helpful. And other good thing about this is cheap. I got this one for about like $7 or something. It was on sale, and you can check that one out. It was free shipping from temu. I'll leave the link down below so you can check that one. If it's still available on sale, you can use it, buy and use it. And there's also a lot of variety, different sizes, different shapes, and all basically almost all type of screws, bolts, and small ones, big ones, all shape and all different type. It's pretty much here. This is a lot of so it has a lot of good collections, a lot of good parts, a lot of good accessories. Now as you can see, there is like a lot of accessories for repairing cell phones here. So if you repair cell phones, smartphones, this could be very helpful, because it comes also with suction cups and screen, like LCD, removing LCDs, screen, repairing smartphone screens, display screens, and so on. And there's also like a tweezer, small picking tools, and so on. Let's start with bad things. The bad thing is the box. It's just terrible, very bad design. As you see here, you open one side, the other the other side has to be closed, or the opposite way. So one side open, the other side is opposite way, and so it's not convenient at all. So the box design is just bad. I'm not sure about this part though. I don't know what is this for, but as you see, there are basically most of screw bits pretty much available here, most of them, all shapes, all sizes, and so on. And here are in close look, so you can see there are numbers here too, so you can check the numbers and so on. I'm not too sure about those numbers and so on, but of course shapes can tell right away. And so the bad thing about this kit, it's the box. The box design is terrible, very bad, and not heavy duty. It looks like very low quality, and it's not convenient at all. The second bad thing about this, the extension. You can see all the screw bits here are narrow, but the extension, it's not as narrow as supposed to be. So if you looking to open deep screws in some electronic devices or electrical devices, some of those are very deep screws. This one, it could be not very helpful, because you need tiny long extension screwdriver, which is I had one before. Maybe I'll show you in the screenshot here. You can see those are very helpful for, so some of those screws and bits here are, you can see, are narrow, but the extension is a little bit wider, so they don't if there is any deep screws, this kit won't be helpful because it won't reach deep screws, so you can open deep screws. Other than that, pretty much it's a very reasonable price. It's like less than $10. And thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next video.